Alright, welcome to my channel, guys. And today I have something really awesome to share with you guys. And I'm going to share with you guys because that's what I think that it is important to share with you guys, since I downloaded on my jailbroken device and it worked perfect and I love it. And that's what I always do. If I download something from Cydia and I think it's awesome, what I do is I try to make a video and bring it out to everyone out there to share with all of you guys, so you guys can download and custom your device the way you guys want. Now I'm going to show you guys step by step everything and all the information. So before I do that, please let me ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. Now that's out of the way, let's get this video started and let me show you guys. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to Cydia, as you guys know. I'm gonna go to install recent, but you guys can go to search bar and search for these packages, and let's get this video started. And the first tweak that we are going to talk about is this one right here. It's called gear right here, and it's really simple, really easy. And animate setting icon, so inspected by iOS 6 OTA updated animation. And now, as you guys can see, it got dropped today, updated January 2nd 2020, which is today, and it is free to download, and it works with the iOS version 13.13. So what you can do, just download this, and as you guys can see, there's a setting application right here in a picture, and it's kind of spinning, so clockwise. So that's all you can do with this tweak. And if I exit out of the Cydia, as you guys can see, my setting application have animation is just going in a clockwise spinning. And once you download this, go to your setting, go to tweaks, and then find that tweak, and it's right here. It's called gear, and only one option you have is to enable it and then respring your device. And once you respring, it will take effect, and you got really nice, really cool animation. It was available before, but it's been updated for iOS 13 now. It worked perfect. There's no glitch. There's no issue with that, and it's really awesome. And I just want to share with you guys. So now, the next one we are going to talk about today is this one right here, IKI. I think that's how you pronounce it. And what this does, basically, small, and as you guys can see the pictures right here, and Kai, all your battery at a glance. Kai will show any Bluetooth device that provide battery information, meaning you can check the batteries of your phone, your watch, your AirPods, and your AirPods case. So all from the lock screen quickly and easily. So as you guys can see, comparable with the. So also, Kai, this tweak will work with many lock screen tweaks such as Camel, Gippy, Oxen. So all these different tweaks, if you're using this tweak will work with that. You won't have an issue. Make it your guys, and it's really awesome. Explain you what you can do, and the full future option list. Everything is listed right here. The notes, and also just want to mention that it is comparable with iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch, running on iOS 12.0 all the way to 14.3. So it just got updated yesterday, and I just want to bring it out to you guys. So just like that, if once you download this, then go to your setting, go to tweaks, and find the Kai. So right here. So this is the interface for this, as you guys can see, and you have all these options. You can able it, and the hide convert sheet charging, or you can hide any music player, or you can hide anything, or you can show anything. And there's you can change the theme. You can do automatic, dark and light, text color you can change. There's much option to configure from, and you can mess with it and just custom the way you want your batteries to look like. So I'm gonna drag down from the status bar, and as you guys can see right here, right now it's just my phone and it's showing right here, but if you have more devices, it will show up right here. And as you guys can see right there on the top right corner, my battery is 46%, and if you look right here, it's the same thing, 46%. So there's no glitch there. It worked perfect. So I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. And the next one we're going to talk about, let me find it, Ultrasound. Now this one right here, Ultrasound, basically the volume HUD you deserve. So with there is a picture right here you guys can see, and also this one supports iOS 11.0 to 13.7, and there, I tell you a little bit about that tweak, and look as great as it sounds. And there's so much stuff you can read through it. And also, as you guys can see right here, released 11/28/2020, and the price is free. It's free to download, free to use. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to press the volume up button, and you guys can see how it looks on my device. As you guys can see right here, you got the percentage of the battery, and you got the HUD. It's really slim, really slick, and it looks much better than stock iOS volume HUD. So this is amazing, and that's why I thought let's put this in this video. And now the next one we're going to talk about is this one right here, top and down. As you guys can see, top and down, 11 and 14. So basically, small, ugly, and bad tweak. A couple of icons in top of your setting application to scroll top and bottom. And as you guys can see in the picture right there, you got the two green dot, one on the left pointing down and on the right pointing up. So that's what you can do. And let me show you guys in my setting. If I go to setting application, go to main page, as you guys can see right there and right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the left arrow pointing down, so it will take you all the way down to bottom of the page. And if I do click on the right side, the green arrow pointing up, there you go. It will take you all the way to top of your setting page. So this is really awesome tweak, really handy tweak, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this one and checking it out. And I believe that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if anybody have any question or concern, please let me know in the comments below, and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.